Hello my friend, welcome to my channel Puzzle with Peter. So this is my new puzzle, homemade puzzle. This is brand new puzzle. So let's solve it and I'm Peter. So let's start. So
Every single moment has led up to this one. Whoa, did the stars align? Whoa, maybe it's a sign we should do tonight again.
let's find the
Even in another lifetime, baby. And let's do tonight
how to
again.
find a solution. I'm find a solution. So this time is very difficult
Cause we
and
keep problems are evaporating. Maybe I'm just guessing, but I've got a feeling. Whoa, we could dance all night. Whoa, at the end of time, we could do tonight.
ready to know my channel, like and comment